Hey, Jack Squad, how everybody doing? Hope all is well, and I hope you're making it happen for yourself. Gotta make it happen for yourself, right? Make it happen for yourself. Now, before we get started, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And all of my information is down in the description box. My email, my Cash App, my social media, everything, right? And t-shirts. I have them in white and black. I have them in red with the black lettering. And then I have them in red with the white lettering. And I have them in black and white lettering, okay? So t-shirts. Make it happen for yourself. I have been wearing mine, a variation of one or the other all week. And people do stop me and give me compliments. Ain't nobody bought one yet. Not outside. But it stands out, right? So anyway, y'all, get your t-shirts. Jack Squad, YouTube family. Something's in my eye. YouTube family. And they are $25. Small, medium, large, extra large. 2X is in white only. $25 plus shipping and handling. All I need for you to do is email me with your full name, full address, the color, and the size. And then I'll email you back what the shipping and handling will be, and then you can Cash App me the total, okay? So that's what we doing. We emailing, and then we Cash App it, okay? To get your Make It Happen for Yourself t-shirt, all right? So today, y'all, I'm talking about something. I was going to talk about something else. But right now, I got to talk about, I left my glasses in there again. I got to talk about DABABY. Now, my question is, are you a gangster or are you an artist? Right? Like, what we doing? Don't mess up what you got going on. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Like, there's good attention and there's bad attention. And you don't want to put yourself in a position where people don't want to fool with you, right? Because, you know, them clear people, if you seem to be too much of a threat, they ain't going to put no money in you. They ain't going to fool with you, right? So DABABY gets into it at the bowling alley. This is the bowling alley, first of all, y'all, is a family spot. Y'all can't be wilding out willy-nilly at the family spots. That's the first way to get yourself canceled out with the clear folks, right? Bowling is a family spot, right? Second of all, who fights at the bowling alley down on the lanes? On the lanes? Y'all could have went in the parking lot. Anyway. So when I see this, I'm amazed. I'm appalled, right? I'm a lot of things, right? I'm embarrassed. You know, I got secondhand embarrassment from that because you're an artist, right? And not a boxer. Right now, I know that the brother, Danny Lee's brother, what is his name? He got a name. Is his name Dollar Bill? Brandon Bill. Seemed like they was calling him Dollar Bill. I don't know. But anyway, he goes to confront. Now, I had saw the videos way back. That's why you got to watch him out. I saw the videos way back when he was saying it's on site and this, that, and that, right? Sometimes it's just best to move in silence. But anyway, somebody like him, like DABABY, always has an entourage. And you could never think that his entourage is going to allow him to get in a ruckus and they're not going to be there. That's just human nature, right? And these young boys we talking about, we ain't talking about good and grown folks with a little bit of good sense. We talking about youngins, right? So, you know, he's been waiting, I guess, ever since he made those statements, right? What he was going to do. And it seems like the brother, Bill, didn't read the room, right? He didn't read the room. So he come to confront him. Now, that's what he said. He come to talk like a man. But that ain't what you were saying in the videos. So what you've been saying is this old site, is this, is that, is that. When they see you, that's what it is. right? No words have to be exchanged, and nobody's gonna want to be like, yeah, man, let me talk to you after you said what you gonna do when you see them. People, don't nobody know how to take you. Like, you said what you said, so now this is the response that you get. Now, it was wrong that they jumped the man. That was wrong. It was wrong, right? Now, I would have, it would have been fair if they, talked and took it outside, like right there in the spot. But, a lot of times if you say it's on site, it's on site, right? So, the baby swung with all his little strength, and then his team followed up, right? Now, this is my concern as I watched the video. I watched it a few times. Like, the brother Bill hit his head on the beam, that separates the lane from lane. That could have been serious, y'all. That could have went whole another way, right? And then everybody got a murder case. Like, you got to be careful and you got to think about what you're doing. And I understand that Bill was defending his sister's honor. I get it, right? I get it. I got it then, right? But it's a way to do things. You know what I'm saying? It's a way to do things. And when you're talking to somebody and you're talking to them aggressively, that's how they're going to react, aggressively, right? And maybe, I don't know, because I don't know the baby, if you had to call him like, man, what's up? I'm going to holler at you about me and my sister something. Maybe it would have went a little different, maybe, when they saw each other. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I just think it was an embarrassment. Like, it's an embarrassment to the culture. Like, you out there swinging, throwing hands at the bowling alley, and all y'all looking wild and crazy. It ain't like nobody really could, like nobody really was, it's just a bunch of pandemonium and wildness, right? Now, I seen some pictures. Dude looked like he messed up, right? Jumping is never a good thing. I remember one time, long time ago, I don't know if people are going to remember this, in Cleveland, Cleveland don't really have gangs. They just have cliques of people. And I'm trying to remember what their name was. It was a name for them, right? And anyway, I remember this was a long time ago. They jumped this guy and he died. And they tracked him down. Everybody caught a case, right? There was a lot of them. That's first of all, that's just not cool to jump. It's just never been cool, right? I don't care if you're in a gang, if you're a regular citizen. None of that is cool. None of that is cool, right? And it makes you look like a sucker. Like, that's what y'all got. It was just one person. It was just one person, right? Now, if he got a group of 10, or 5 or 2 or 3, okay, ball out. But just him on the bowling alley? And then he says that if he had one person, now I ain't talking about the ifs. If he had one person with him, everything would have been different. I know that's right. If we had a fifth, we'd all be drunk, right? He wanted to assist him in the altercation, right? He said, not one person came to help me out. Well, who was supposed to come? Who did you tell to come? Who did you bring with you? What did you think was going to happen? Like, I got a lot of questions about that. Like, if you've been doing all this woofing, because you was woofing, right? I ain't defending the baby, but I'm just saying, when you talk like that out your mouth, anything goes. I'm just saying. Now, I don't know if bruh from the streets. I don't know where he lived, where he from. I think this happened in L.A., right? Yeah, Topanga, California. And so now the bowling alley, they did the best they could. They done banned the baby from the bowling alley. The baby from Charlotte, so he can go any bowling alley he want outside of that one. And so now there's a probe into assault with a deadly weapon, right? Now, a witness told TMZ that Bill first tried to talk with the baby and told him he didn't appreciate how baby had treated his sister, Danny Lee. Now they saying, this is the part I found out a little bit unbelievable. A mechanic ended up scrubbing the floor for hours, right? And spending $250 in cleaning supplies to clean up a drink. Now, this is the part that threw me off. He spent $250 in cleaning up a drink that the baby reported through. So what was in the drink? Acid? Like, what? Why did it take $250 to clean up a drink, right? And of course, they had to re-oil the bowling alley. That's understandable. Now, yeah, now he's, like I said, he's upset. Bill is upset because DABABY called the police on his sister, Danny Lee, had her removed from the home. So that's a domestic relationship dispute, right? He didn't put his hands on her, I don't believe. I'm not sure about that. He didn't put his hands on her. And so I think like this is just a sad, embarrassing situation, right? But if you take it streetwise, you know, Bill came, he said he wanted to smoke. That's what he got to smoke. So you can't say that's what you want and then what it's going to be. And then when it be, and it, you know, it's not the results that you wanted, then you got something else to say. Because that's what you said. This is what you said. Now, let's say he didn't say that. He just said, man, I was wrong about my sister. And then when he saw DABABY, maybe that wouldn't have happened. You know what I'm saying? But if you repeatedly say to the world, this is what it is, then that's what it is, right? But as far as DABABY concerned, like you're an artist. You got money to get. Because didn't he get banned or almost got banned for something he said before? Like, you know, I believe in saying whatever, you know, your thoughts are your thoughts and what you say is what you say. But I'm just saying you don't want to keep putting the light on you. Whether I agree with him or not, you don't want to keep putting the light on you. You know, like you don't have, not negative anyway. You don't want negativity. Because then people won't want to fool with you, sponsors and, you know, other business ventures that you could possibly have. Nobody wants to fool with you if you confrontational, argumentative, can't get along with you. No, you know, that you messing with your money, you messing with your brand. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Like, I ain't, you know, that's all I'm saying. And I think at this point, see, a lot of times you got to clean up. When you make a mess, you got to clean it up, right? Now, if I was DABABY, what I would do first is reach out to Danny Lee, the sister, because she can talk and soften up the brother, right? Because it could be a thing, like, dude, so they say Bill, I think he filed charges, but he didn't want to get medical attention, right? He didn't need medical attention, or he didn't want it. They suggested that he didn't want it. But what I think should be done is let's squash this now before it blow up. Because as y'all can see, especially when you're in the spotlight, little things can turn into big things, right? And before this blow way up, way up, you need to squash it right now. Like, I don't know who his people are. I don't know if you have any people, you know, like your publicists and people that your pastor. I don't know. But this needs to be squashed, and it needs to be rectified in a good way, right? And the only way to do that is take it back to the source where it started from, and that's Danny Lee, right? Make amends with her so she can tell her brother, and then you and the brother can have a sit down and just squash all this before it get out. Because see, what's going to happen now is the outside forces is going to blow it up. You know what I'm saying? Outside forces are going to blow it up. And so, you know, I just feel like if you're an artist, if you're a star, if you're out in the public eye, certain things you can do, certain things you cannot do. Especially if you're trying to get money, because that's the bottom line, right? Money. That's the bottom line. You know, and you don't want nothing to interfere with what you're doing, with getting your bag. That's all I'm saying. Unless you're a boxer or something, I don't know. But, you know, nothing should interfere with you getting your bag, right? So I don't know. We're going to keep watching it and hope. Because, you know, DABABY had already been involved in a situation where somebody got shot in Walmart. Like, all them, like, shooting in Walmart. Like, again, a family spot. Like, so let's say from the outside world, it looks like you're erratic and you're not thinking. You know what I'm saying? You're not thinking. Right? You know, he was acquitted or whatever, but I'm just saying, like, at some point, and I know he's young or whatever, you know, but at some point you got to get your thoughts about yourself. You know what I'm saying? And you want to grow and be better and be bigger, right? You don't want to be known. You want to be known for music, or you want to be known for brawling. It's that simple, y'all, right? So anyway, y'all, t-shirts. Don't forget the t-shirts. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, first of all. And thank you, new subscribers. Like, this is a process. I appreciate the process, right? I appreciate my new subscribers. because I get subscribers daily, and it's I appreciate that, right? Like I said, I had to, when I got to 2,000, I had to give away. Now we going for the 5,000, y'all. So like, share, comment and subscribe. We're going to 5,000. 5,000. I'm gonna do something nice with the 5,000, right? Because I want to show my appreciation. I cannot show it to every single body, but I can, show appreciation, right? I appreciate you guys, because you don't have to listen to me. You don't, it's a whole bunch of people out there. You don't have to listen to me, right? And so I appreciate it, right? So now the goal is 5,000. When we get to 5,000, we're gonna have that giveaway. Now I'm still planning on the meet and greet, right? Just have to watch what Corona's doing. And like I said, if it can't do it in the spring, which it don't look like it's gonna happen because this is February already, we'll try early fall, because I don't want the weather to be too hot, and I don't want it to be too cold, right? So we're gonna see. I'm just playing it by ear, y'all. But I would like to meet and greet, because you guys are like family to me, and some of you have become my friends. Some of you all I speak to on a daily basis. So I want to meet you all. I want to meet you all in person, and so I'm going live Sunday at 5, and the topic will be about the, hold on, let me tell you what the topic is. I almost forgot myself. Because I had several of them in my mind, but I picked this particular one. Friends with benefits. Friends with benefits, right? How many of y'all have had friends with benefits? And if you have, what were the benefits? So we're going to be discussing that Sunday at 5. I want everybody to join in. Let's see if I can get 50 people, 100 people on the live, right? I did look into the StreamYard and all that stuff, but that costs change, and I don't have that. And so I'm going to think of ways with my people that we can do that, right, in the future, but not right now. Also, so we're going live at 5, friends with benefits, t-shirts, $25. I have white and black. I have red with the black lettering. I have red with the white lettering. Red with the white lettering. Make it happen for yourself. And then I have black with the white lettering. So if y'all don't want me to be homeless, buy some t-shirts. Buy some t-shirts. Thank you for the people who have bought t-shirts. Thank you very, very much. And then I sent some out Thursday, so you guys should be getting them. I think they said Monday, right? Monday or Tuesday. So the t-shirts again are $25. Small, medium, large, extra large. Small, medium, large, extra large. And then I have the 2X in white only. Just have a few of those, okay? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching Jackie with a Q. I'm going to talk about Wendy. I feel sorry for Wendy. I know Wendy got bad karma coming to her, but I got something else I want to say about Wendy, y'all. So anyway, y'all, be good and stay safe. Bye-bye.